job is this. Where are you now in your financial status? Where you would be like to go and how we are going to get you there. That is my role. That's why in the starting I told I am not going to give you or give sales. It's not a sales presentation because I am not into a sales background. Right? Okay. So we will help you to reach where you want on the financial matters. Right? So these are the life stages where you will undergo in your life. What is life? What is life? Life is nothing from birth to death. B to D, right? Is it life? Yes? Okay. In between there is a C is there. B, C, D, right? So there is a C is there. What is C?
Character.
It's a choice. In between B to D, how you are living, how you enjoy or what you do is a choice. So that choice is yours. Okay, so life is from B to D. Now we can just see what is happening in your life. Okay. All are married? Anybody single? Unmarried? No. Unmarried. Right, okay. So in this group there are some people unmarried. And then you move to the next stage. Married. Then children. Last, you will reach that stage which is called a retirement, right? So you will not retire. The retirement will come to you one day. Most of the people ignore that phase because the income will be low or no. So how you are going to plan on each life stage is we'll see. So in Tata Life Insurance, we help the clients for doing planning for their different life stages as well as uncertainties. Uncertainties is also a part of our life. We cannot predict what the next moment, right? So as I said, you may be on different life stages here. So from A to B. This from A to B, these are the different stages. And here below you can see the different uncertainties. You may be happy with this, but you are not happy with this. Right? But it is not in our hand. It may happen, may not happen. So planning for these uncertainties is also a part of our life, right? So now here, so A to B is our life journey. So now most of the people will be there in these stages. There is only a short gap to get your retirement. I think here you have till age 60 or 55 or 58. Okay, maybe 60, okay. So after 60, there is some more period where you need to survive. Right? So let's see what are the basic things for doing the financial planning. So these are the 5 pillars of protection for doing any financial planning. Life insurance is the only tool where it protects your life as well as your uncertainties, as well as your other investment portfolios will safeguard. No other investment help in doing that planning. So when you are doing a financial planning, the basic thing you need to undergo these 4 pillars. You will have a peace of mind, so that the financial portfolios will be very strong. So first thing is, what is living death? Most of the people like stories. This is a fact. People don't like facts, right? So these are the facts of life. What is living death? Any idea? Living death is nothing but you are alive but unable to perform your duties or to go for your job. Any risk like critical illness. You are alive but not dead. So that is called living death. It will be more critical than no income. So expenditure will be more in that. Wealth creation, you know, I'm not going into that. Children's education, the costly things, I think most of the people have crossed that stage. Few people will be missing or going to that stages, children's education. The costliest thing in the world is children's education. Every year, 100% is jumping on school or college fees. So are you prepared for that? And dying too soon. If all these are covered in your financial planning, you can take care of rest of the portfolios in other investment. Okay? So this is also a financial tool to protect all your dreams and investments. So I'm not going into deep in this. We'll go to the next. This is one of the critical things which I said, living death. Living death is, most of the thing will be the critical illness covered in this. And wealth creation, most of the people in our society, they spend first. And then later on, if anything is there, they will save. So have you planned adequately for each of this? Okay, this is one small presentation where you can see the earlier you start investing, where you can get more. So if you are in the age of 25, to create a 50 lakhs, your investment is only 26,869 per year. So if you are not starting early, see, you can see at the 45 age, for the same corpus of 50 lakhs, you need to invest 1,70,000 rupees. So here the principle is nothing. How many world wonders are there? 7. Do you want to know 8th one? So this is based on compound interest. Compound interest is the 8th world wonder. Okay. If you understand this principle of compound interest, you can reap. If you don't understand, you will pay for that. So here, the earlier you start, you can create big corpus. The later you start, you need to pay bigger amount to create the same corpus. This, I'm just for the presentation for creating a corpus of a retirement example, right? The later you start, the more you need to pay for a corpus. And do you know anybody like life insurance gives you 3-stage tax benefit? Most of the people know that ATC is there, right? You know tax benefit?
Yeah.
Okay. So most of you know ATC. Under section ATC, you have a tax exemption of 1.5 lakh, right? Apart from that, anything, any idea? Okay, ATD is for health insurance. Yeah, okay. Apart from that? Okay. Apart from that? Okay. Now we will see that. Yes, exactly. See, you have three state tax benefit, right? When you invest, you have a tax exemption up to 1.5 lakh under section 80C. Now, there is an earning stage is there. When you receive back the proceeds from the life insurance under section 1010D, you get a 100% tax-free returns, right? This is earning stage. Now maturity or withdrawal stage. That also you are getting 100% tax-free returns under section 1020. So you have 3-stage tax benefit in life insurance. So first, the agenda, one of the first one is over. Now coming to the second one. We'll do some activity. How many of you like to do exercise in the morning?